Hey fellas, this is my Yog Tiger. You have to forgive all the spaghetti. I'm still hooking up the sound. I got a TPA for my IBU, but that's something I'll have to figure out what thread to put that on. But uh, I want to know why my IBU does this. Okay, now observe. I have elevation sound, rotation sound. Whoop, machine gun. Elevation, rotation. But now, engine on, I have elevation and rotation. What? Engine off. Elevation, rotation. So maybe Tank Bear can tell me. I'm not sure, but has anybody else seen that? Is that I don't know. You guys tell me. Why does it do that? See you next time.